Welcome po sa BIMS App How to Tutorial 11. Sa video na ito, ipapakita natin kung paano gamitin ang Barangay Activities Gallery section sa Barangay Services Management module. Ang Barangay Activities Gallery ay ginagamit para ipakita ang documented barangay activities through images, titles, descriptions, and dates. Ito ay nagsisilbing visual record ng mga programs, events, and community engagements sa barangay. Una, mula sa BIMS main dashboard, buksan ang Barangay Services Management tile. Pagbukas ng Barangay Services screen, mag-scroll papunta sa Barangay Activities section. Dito makikita ang gallery cards ng mga barangay activities. Each card usually contains an image, activity title, short description, and date of activity. For example, makikita natin ang mga activity cards such as vaccination rollout or other community programs. These cards help users quickly understand what activity happened, when it happened, and what the activity was about. Ang purpose ng section na ito ay to showcase barangay events and activities in a clear and visual format. Instead na puro text records lang, the barangay can present activities using photos and simple descriptions. This supports transparency because constituents and stakeholders can see actual documented programs and community initiatives. Para gamitin ang gallery, simply browse the activity cards displayed on the screen. Tingnan ang image, title, description, and date. Kung marami ang activities, mag-scroll lang to explore more records. May tatlong main actions sa section na ito: add activity, edit activity, and delete activity. Ang add activity ay ginagamit para magdagdag ng bagong barangay activity record. Usually, dito ilalagay ang title, description, date, and activity image. Ang edit activity naman ay ginagamit kung may existing activity na kailangang i-update. For example, kung may correction sa title, description, date, or image. Ang delete activity ay ginagamit para alisin ang activity record, but this should be used carefully and only by authorized users, especially if the record is already part of historical documentation. Mahalaga na ang photos uploaded in this section are relevant and appropriate for public viewing. Since this gallery represents barangay activities, dapat malinaw, maayos, and suitable for presentation ang mga images. Descriptions should also be clear and informative. The description should briefly explain what happened in the activity, who participated, or what program was conducted. The activity date should also be correct because this helps maintain accurate historical tracking. Sa right side, makikita ang Barangay Activities Gallery Help panel. It explains what this section does, how to use it, gallery content, important notes, tip, and system impact. The most important reminder is that well-documented activities help strengthen transparency and public trust. This section can also be useful for reports, presentations, public information, and community awareness. In summary, ang process ay simple. Open Barangay Services Management, go to Barangay Activities, browse the gallery cards, review the image, title, description, and date, then use Add Activity, Edit Activity, or Delete Activity when needed. The Barangay Activities Gallery helps the barangay preserve visual documentation of programs, improve public transparency, and promote community engagement. Sa next how-to tutorial, pag-aaralan naman natin ang Manage Barangay Officials section. For now, ito muna ang tutorial on how to view and manage the Barangay Activities Gallery. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal https://epfcomposite.com. Tapos i-click ang Launch BIMS App button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS App po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.